What's up everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna share you how you can create the scrolling text, and particularly I'm gonna make it, let's say, to show the list of the movie cast. For example, if you see the ending, very ending of the part of the movie, and you'll see the cast and also the, let's say, the video editor and also the soundtrack of this movie or the music. Basically, you can use this scrolling text, and the step-by-step to create it is go to this text and go to this default text, and after that it's gonna show into this section, and you can paste the name, for example, like this. And after that, you can start to enlarge the duration, for example, to be like this. And I will start to move this text down, but not fully disappeared, but still in the center. Perfect. And after that, I will start to scroll down, still in this text menu or the text section. And after that, you can go to this position at keyframe, and it's gonna add it into this section. So I will add the mode for this first keyframe, give the right click. Perfect. And for example, I'm gonna make it to be the ease in. And after that, you can start to move this timeline or this bar to the last section or last duration, and add the another keyframe. And you can start to move this text up until the end, like this. And for example, if you play it, it's gonna look like this, guys. However, if you feel that this movement is quite really quick, so all you need to do here, you just need to extend the length of this duration. And also you can move this keyframe to select it until you see this turn to be blue, and move it here. And let's see, it's a little bit better and also more slower. And if you need it to be slower, then you can enlarge again the duration. Let's say to be the 15 seconds, like this. And I'm gonna move this keyframe to click this and hold it and move it into this section. And here's the final look, guys. This is the scrolling text if you wanna make it particularly for the movie cast. Don't forget to try it, and if you have any feedback about this tutorial, please don't worry to put it in the comment section. I hope this video found you helpful. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys!